Okay, you guys. Oops, it's shaking. I have a, let's see. I'm going to do some, what is this? Molds. I'm going to do some molds. Now, this is a new mold that I received from AliExpress. I've never used this mold before, so I am actually going to show you. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use to make this stuff. And then hopefully I'm using this, the Alex Fast Dry Acrylic Latex Chalk plus Silicone. That's what I'm using to do this mold. And I am going to apply this to this mold, see what it or how it turns out, and then I'll have to come back once I actually take the stuff off of it. I'll be using this spatula. It's a plastic one. I might have to use a, do I have one? I think it's upstairs. Yeah, but we'll try this. And then I'll have to come back once it sets to show you exactly what I get from this, because this is the first time that I've actually used this mold. Okay, so we're going to give it a try. Like I said, I don't know if they'll come out. They look to be pretty thin. That's what I was hoping. And if they're as thin as I think they're going to be, I'm hoping that they actually come out this thick, because I want to do a glass jar. I want to decorate these with a glass jar. I'll probably paint them up once this dries, but this is how I'm setting this in here. I want to put some more on here to make sure this comes out okay. And this I've used lots of times. This works wonders. It really works well. And you could color it. Yeah. And I think year before last, a couple of years ago, I think it was CMC, I don't know what her name is now, because I haven't looked at her video lately, but I learned this technique from her. Okay, so I'm going to make sure I have enough of this where I need it. Yeah, and that's all you do. You put it in there. I should do more, but right now I'm just trying this one. Someone wanted to see, I had mentioned molds, and somebody said, yes, do molds. So I figured, you know what? It's just a matter of trying it. So I just want to make sure it's all filled. And yeah, no air bubbles. And I see a few air bubbles. That's why I'm going over it again. This is not as, yeah. Let's see, let me put that back in there. But I want to make sure I got most of this off. And then once it starts setting, I'll come back and I'll wipe it down. I don't want to do it now because it will lift. It will actually lift this, yeah, stuff out of there. So this mold I got from AliExpress, and if I can, I will find the store from AliExpress that I bought it from and post it. But I do want to use this to decorate some jars that I have. I think these, because they're so thin and so delicate, I think they would be great to use. Okay, you guys, so this right here I would take this exactly like it is right now and sit it over here, leave it there for a little while because, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to seal it back. Yeah, but I'm not going to wipe it down yet because it's too wet. So yeah, I'm going to take this and sit it aside so that I can come back to it. Alright, you guys, that is that. But another project, I know I'm on a roll right now, you guys, so I got to keep going. Another project that I'm working on, and when I tell you I am totally intimidated by this project, it's already taken me maybe about a year and a half. I mean, when I tell you, everybody has a favorite channel that they watch. Well, my favorite channel is Dede Willingham, and she's an artist like nobody else I know. Yeah, she is awesome. The lady is awesome, okay? And I've been watching her forever. She probably doesn't even know I watch her because I think she has a Facebook page and she does live streams all the time, but I always just watch because I'm either in a situation where I can't respond anyway. So I just kind of watch, right? Well, she has this series called The Abandoned Art Journal Pages, where they actually, I don't even know if you call it decollage. I call it that. Well, it's where she takes the actual page and you take away stuff that you don't want in the page. Hold on for a minute because I got a lot of I got a lot of the books that, let's see, she has suggested. I'm going to show you a few of them right now. And the one that I was most inspired by was her Abandoned Places book. Go to Dede. I'm going to put her link down in the, I'm going to put her link in, I'm just flipping through pages. I'm going to put her link down below so that you can go and see some of the work that she does with these books. When I tell you, it's unbelievable. Take my word for it. The work is unbelievable. For about a year and a half, maybe, I've been collecting these books. Probably about a year. Every time she mentioned one, I'll run and get it. Or I'll see one and I'll pick it up. But the books just has lots of images. And she'll paint over them. She'll paint stuff out. She'll add stuff. She'll paint over the lettering. I mean, the words and stuff here. And the image that she ends up with is absolutely stunning. And then I have the Abandoned Castles one. I think it's about 4 of them, maybe 5, that she's been working on. I think she's working out of 4 books. It might be 3. And every time she does a page, it's like, what? I think I'm ready to jump in there. I've been watching her for doing this series for about a year. And I said, this weekend, I'm going to do a page. I am really thinking about doing a page. Well, a few weeks ago, I went to Books A Million. And she mentioned that she actually uses the calendars for some of her images. This came out of another book. I mean, when you see her work, you're not going to believe it. But guess what, you guys? I got the calendars. I actually got the calendars of the same book. And they were on sale for $3 each. So I picked up just about every one. I need to go back because it was some that I think I need, like of animals. I kind of, let me move this out some so that you could see, way out this way, so that you could see these calendars. These things are absolutely stunning. And she uses these images in those books, some of those books, to do the collage and stuff that she's doing. And it's just beautiful work. I'm going to link her video because guess what? I have not started one. I'm still afraid to start the extreme weather one. I think I picked up, if they had, I think I got 12 here. They probably had about 15 of them. 3 of them I didn't get, and they were of animals, and I think I need them. So I'm going to get them. If you could see these calendars, this is the same one. And I think she uses all of this stuff to do the pages, the books that she was doing. So yes, I'm going to start that series. So this is something like, okay, this is what someone else is doing, and I think I'm interested in doing it. So yeah, here it is. So that's pretty much, I want to use this. I want to use this in on one of those pages. I really want to use this bicycle. I love those. And I just watched her do a video the other day using the feathers, and I thought, OMG, do you see what she just did to, I think it was these feathers right here. She cut them out, she painted them, and she put them, added them to the pages in those books that I showed you. These are in between. They make great ATC cards. I'll keep those. But these I haven't, that one I had, that was a double. And these are fish. I think just animals. Some of them. Oh yeah, some of them are animals. I'll be using some of these. Look at that tulip. Yeah, so you guys, I want you to go check her channel out so you'll see where I'm going with this, because it's not something I came up with. It's something she's been doing. It's honestly the greatest art I've seen in quite some time, other than watching her channel, because I watch her channel all the time. The woman does absolutely stunning work. Yeah, so these are just calendars. And you cut out the images and you add them to the page, or you blacken stuff out and you make your own world. That's the great thing about what she does. She'll actually take that scene and make her own world. So yeah, you guys, if you get a chance, here's one called Appalachian Trails, and it has a bunch of the trees and stuff. I can't wait to do this. Like I said, I am totally intimidated by this, but I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to try it, and if I try it and it don't come out right, I could always paint over it, or I could keep going until I get better at it. Yeah, but the woman does stunning work. And if you like this kind of stuff, art journaling, and she called it uncollaging or something like that, yeah, you might want to do her Abandoned Places series. Yeah. And then too, I was watching someone else. I don't know who it was, but they actually had, I want to say it was, and I hate forgetting people's name because people honestly think you just don't want to give people credit for it, but I watch so many videos during the week because I'm not able to craft then, and I craft on the weekends, and oh my gosh, soon I'll be able to craft every single day. Soon, you guys. Sooner than y'all think. Yeah. Okay, she got a book. Look how big this book is. Look how big this book is. This is page 1 of every major event from 1920 to 1975, as presented in the New York Times. Would you look at this? I think I paid $8 for this book. And I should have shown it to you when I first got it because someone else wanted it and I showed it to them. I think Elon 47, is that her name? I forget her name, but Pam, Queen Pam. I think she showed this book and I was like, oh my gosh, I need that. If for nothing else, you can pull the pages and do, you know, mixed media and stuff with it. Or you could just do it in the book, on the pages. I have to find something really great to use these pages for. But look at this one. Yes, it's huge, you guys. Look how big, and look how big it is. This book is over, I think it's about 15 by 18. I don't even know. That looks a lot bigger than 12 inches. Let's see here. Nope. Oh, I'm so off. It's 10.5 by 15. Huge. And it has, this one is 100 years of headlines as presented in the New York Times. And I'm sure both of them have. Jason, Merry Christmas, 2008. Love, Dad and Mom. Oh, he gave their book away. Yeah, and I ordered these from Amazon. I think I got these from Amazon. And you have to look because now I think a lot of people are getting the books, and the books are ridiculously priced. So search around for them, and I think when I first saw them, I ordered them. They didn't cost me any more than, I think one cost me $9. I think both of them are about $10. I don't even think I paid that much for this one, but I got 2 of these because I wanted to read this one. I really wanted to read this one right here. So yeah, I got it for I think $6 or $7, but I had to pay postage, which was $3.99. So I went ahead and got 2 of each of them. Awesomeness, you guys. Awesome. But anyway, that is just some projects that I have ongoing. I'm going to paint in these books just like the other books, but I thought these were great. And I want to start doing pictures with maybe silhouettes and stuff in them, or paint them out and leave some of the, yeah, some of this lettering here and put silhouettes and images and stuff on it. I think that's going to be great, but I have to do it first to show you, right? All right, you guys, so that's a project that I'm working on. I'm going to put Dede Willingham's link in the bottom. You guys, if y'all don't do anything else, you want to go check her channel out. If you've never heard of her before, the woman is awesome. I've been watching her now for probably 4 or 5 years. It gets better. It does nothing but get better. But okay, you guys, I have to go. And I'll be back because I'm doing National Scrapbook Day today. And by tomorrow, I should have quite a few prizes to give away. So yeah, I want you guys to participate with me this weekend. Let me know what you're doing. Hey, if you can and you do some projects, link them and let me know what you're doing so I can see. I love the way this feels. Yes, this is my mixed media page, and when I come back, my next video is going to be of the ATCs that I make. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.